Good morning, all. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update. And this update is for the morning as we're sitting here now on Thursday, the 26th of February, 2026. And the time right now, about 8:10 a.m. Central Time. We just had the U.S. Jobless claims report. It came in up 4,000 for the week ending. They expected up 9,000 for the week ending February 21st. And that puts the number at 212. So that's a little bit lower than the market thought. Continuing claims continue to slip down 31,000. We'll get the EIA natural gas storage report at 9:30, and at 10 o'clock, the Kansas City Fed manufacturing composite and business activity indices will come out. What's super important today is the meeting that is now taking place in Geneva between Iran and the U.S. How do you look for what's going to come out? Well, what's been consistent is the Iranians come out and say that the meeting is well focused now and blah, blah, blah. On the U.S. side, they do not see so far anything. All right. What we don't know is what's the proposal today. Iranians were supposed to deliver over the weekend, by Tuesday at the latest, actually, their proposal for the U.S., and they decided they'd make the proposal in person at today's meeting. Okay. I guess they're trying to sell a story. We'll see. Stock earnings reports galore, but remember, we're coming to the very end of the whole season. Warner Brothers down about 6% in the revenues from what I saw. Not a very good set of numbers, and we'll see the rest as it comes out. But yesterday it was all about NVIDIA, which was a beat on every metric, and yet it just doesn't seem to be enough to kick the stock to much higher level. So when we take a look here, you can see the stock market, a mixed bag. The Nasdaq down, you're up another 6 points in the Russell. The Dow up 120, up 400 points here. Metal markets down right now across the board. Is that because something good is being proposed by Iran? There's just no way to know. It could be profit taking before they know what the facts are. And the energy market down. Again, that leads a little bit of credence to the idea that maybe the Iranians are going to present something that's palatable to the United States. We don't know yet. Bonds and notes, the opposite, getting bids, which means falling yields. And that is in part because people will want to own the dollar probably, and U.S. bonds or notes if things go south in these talks. Soft markets, pretty stable right now is all you can say. And you're still holding up in all of the grains. There's massive hope that when President Trump at the end of March goes to China, that he can walk away with more grain purchases. Soybean oil certainly responding in a big way to that. Meal still up, but nowhere near what oil is starting to gain now. So a little bit of a reversal in the thinking. So you've got to be on pins and needles. You got to be ready for whatever's going to be offered today by the Iranians to the Americans. And I think we'll probably have to wait as much as 24 hours to understand more about it, unless everybody just walks out and said we're getting nowhere, which is highly unlikely. Now, in these kind of markets, one of the tools that I like my clients to look at least, is called a pivot point. And pivot points, as I learned them, take a look at the previous day. You set up a range between the highs and the lows in the market, and you find resistance and support numbers. You've got a center line, and then from the center line, resistance numbers above it, see them? And then support lines below it and the numbers. Now, I take it and I expand it and I apply slow stochastics to it. And keep in mind, this is nothing more than an entry point or a day trade tool. It is not for position trading in any manner other than refining possibly some points that you want to use with it. How do you get it? It's simple. You go to iraepstein.com, and at iraepstein.com, all you need to do with it is go to our free offers, and it's in there. Again, iraepstein.com. You can move your cursor up here, or you can move it right over here if you're watching me on YouTube, and that'll take you there. I'm Ira. Again, it's sunny here we're in Indiana, and I don't have yet my blackout curtains where I can get into the front of the cameras in the morning. I will see you all tonight when I will be on the cameras, and talking to everyone. You have yourself a good evening. I'll do the wrap-ups tonight with you. Take care.